Hello and welcome. My name is Zahid Mirza and you're watching DNN News, the top headline of this hour first. The official body of New York has arranged a wonderful event regarding 73rd Independence Day of Pakistan, hosted by President Mr. Zamir Khan and Hina Rahman, the President PTI Women Wing. The official body of PTI New York has arranged an event regarding Independence Day of Pakistan in New York, hosted by Mr. Zamir Khan, the President of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf to New York, and Ms. Hina Rahman, the President of Women Wing. Hundreds of thousands of people gathered, including Consulate General, and proved that they all are on the same page over the Kashmir issue and the independence of Kashmiris also. On this occasion, such a wonderful day, the President Mr. Zamir Khan was warm welcomed during his attractive and unique entry, and the hall echoed slogans Pakistan Zindabad. Mr. Zamir Khan said in his speech that today is the biggest and the wonderful day which has its own preeminence, and Kashmiris are in our hearts and we always remember them in our prayers and all the occasions relating to their independence from cruel act of India, and also said, I believe that Kashmiris will get independence from the cruelty of India very soon. While presenting many congratulations to participants, he intended to manage more programs in the future and also chanted slogans Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you very much. आज के दिन मेरे पास लफ्ज़ नहीं कि मैं आप लोगों को खुश आमदीद के कुछ अल्फाज अदा कर सकूं कि आज प्राउडली वी हैव ए बिगेस्ट डे इन द हिस्ट्री। मैं सब लोगों को तहे दिल की गहराइयों से वेलकम कहता हूं और इस वतन अजीम के इंडिपेंडेंस दिन के लिए आप खुशियां मनाएं। और आज का दिन आप लोगों के नाम, आप पाकिस्तान के नाम मैं दोबारा आपको खुश आमदीद कहता हूं और प्रोग्राम की हम इब्तिदा करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि मैंने आप सब कम्युनिटी के लिए जो कोविड-19 के प्रेशर से घरों में घुसे हुए परेशान हाल थे, मैंने उनको निकाल के एक एंजॉयमेंट दी है जो कि मेरा हक भी बनता है और आप लोगों का भी हक बनता है। तो इंशाल्लाह हम बहुत जो प्राउडली अपने मुल्क को सेलिब्रेट करते रहेंगे, कराते रहेंगे, मनवाते रहेंगे और कश्मीरियों के अपने जो हमारे बहन भाई हैं उनके लिए भी दुआ करें, उनको भी याद करें, वो भी हमारे भाई हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला उनको भी एक दिन आज़ादी का मौका दे और इंशाल्लाह वो देगा।
He was also awarded with a recognition document presented by the state. The president of Women Wing, Ms. Hina Rahman, said in her speech, Happy Independence Day to all. She said Islamic Republic of Pakistan is the gift of the countless sacrifices and we all should remember these sacrifices and value our independence. There is no substitute of independence in the world. She thanked to all participants.
Pakistan Zindabad. I want to hear the every and each person who is standing. Tell me, Pakistan. जोश चाहिए, जोश नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं. पाकिस्तान. Absolutely. ये हमारे मासूम बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने कोशिश की थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को पाकिस्तान के बारे में बताने के लिए. इसके लिए मैं सिर्फ आपको एक बात कहूंगी. I think you everyone going to be like that. ये इन बच्चों के लिए बिकॉज यू नो हमारे जो बच्चे होते हैं दे अंडरस्टैंड लिटिल बिट उर्दू एंड लिटिल बिट पंजाबी वॉट एवर लैंग्वेज द पेरेंट्स स्पीक, बट मोस्टली दे अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश बिकॉज दे आर इन USA, in New York. So for them, please, all kids have to listen me. I ask a wise man, tell me, sir, in which field could make a great career? He said with a beautiful smile, be a good human being. There is a lot of opportunity in this area and a very little competition. So we should be a very good human being. That's the most important. Then we're going to become a proud Pakistani and then we become a proud American. तो अगेन इनका तराना शुरू होने से पहले पाकिस्तान Zindabad.
The other participants said during their speech that Pakistan is a democratic and the safe place where the minorities are living and enjoying their full religious independence. Official and community leaders also awarded the fireworks beat of national anthem of Pakistan and 1 minute silence remembrance, and the attractive fireworks and national songs look very splendid. That is the DNN top headlines. Thanks for watching. For more news and updates, please visit our website dnnpak.com. Stay with us.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें